Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. Few telescopes in history have transformed our view of the universe like the James Webb Space Telescope. Since its launch and the start of its science operations in July 2022, JWST has shattered expectations, capturing images that reach back billions of years and unveiling the formation of stars and galaxies in unprecedented detail. Now, as NASA celebrates 3 years of groundbreaking discoveries, Webb delivers yet another spectacular achievement, a breathtaking portrait of the Cat Paw Nebula. Released on July 10th, this image is more than just a pretty picture. It's a portal into a star nursery, located approximately 4,000 light-years away in the constellation Scorpius, where new suns are born amidst swirling clouds of gas and dust. This latest release isn't just a symbol of JWST's capabilities. It's a scientific milestone, highlighting the telescope's ability to penetrate dense cosmic clouds and expose the intricate processes shaping the universe's youngest stars. So, what exactly is the Cat Paw Nebula? Astronomers classify it as an emission nebula, a massive region where intense ultraviolet light from newborn stars ionizes the surrounding hydrogen gas, causing it to glow. Spanning between 80 and 90 light-years across, the nebula stretches wider than the full moon when viewed from Earth, though it lies far beyond our solar system. To the unaided eye, these vast stellar nurseries appear hidden, masked behind thick veils of interstellar dust. But with JWST's infrared sensors, astronomers can peel back those layers. And what they've revealed in this latest image is a cosmic landscape both haunting and beautiful. The Cat Paw Nebula gets its name from the large, rounded structures that resemble the toe beans found on the bottom of a cat's paw. These formations aren't just for show, they are sculpted by the violent, creative processes at work inside the nebula. Each massive, round cavity tells a story of star formation, as enormous young stars carve out pockets of space with their energy. 3 years into its mission, Webb continues to deliver on its design, said Sean Domagal-Goldman, acting head of NASA's Astrophysics Division. His statement accompanied the release of this image, which serves as both a scientific triumph and an anniversary celebration for the telescope. In NASA's own words, it's the cat's meow. This playful phrase masks the profound reality beneath it. JWST has clawed back the thick, dusty layers of the Cat Paw Nebula, exposing previously unseen features of a cosmic nursery. But what makes this image so significant to astronomers? It's all about the details. Within the cat's paw, massive stars excavate vast cavities in surrounding gas and dust. This image captures delicate structures formed by this excavation process, features never before seen with such clarity. In these dense environments, stars don't live long. Massive stars burn their fuel quickly, ending their lives in spectacular explosions known as supernovae. But during their short lifespans, they influence their surroundings on enormous scales, triggering or suppressing the birth of future stars. Near the upper right of JWST's image, a reddish-orange oval catches the eye. Scientists interpret this quiet zone as a crowded region in the early stages of star formation. Few background stars are visible here, hidden behind dust, but JWST's infrared vision reveals newborn stars emerging from obscurity. One such star has generated a powerful outflow, blasting gas and dust away in a shockwave visible in the image. This shockwave signals extreme stellar activity from a young star still swaddled inside its cocoon of material. In the upper middle of the image, another feature demands attention, the so-called Opera House. Named for its tiered, circular layers resembling an architectural landmark, the Opera House is formed by orange-brown dust spiraling outward. Just below this structure, a compact shell surrounds a bright yellow star, which has not yet cleared away all of the surrounding material. The star's energy is still battling to carve out its place in the nebula. Nearby, faint blue haze permeates the scene. Its source remains a mystery. NASA scientists propose that this haze may come from gas illuminated by hidden yellow stars at the base of the formation, or it might originate from a concealed object entirely hidden by dust. For now, it remains one of the many questions the cat's paw holds. On the left of the Opera House, JWST reveals a tuning fork-shaped dark zone devoid of stars. Astronomers suspect that this area hides dense dust filaments, structures so thick they block even infrared light. Within these filaments, stars may still be forming, their light yet unable to escape. Moving to the center of the image, brown dust clumps reminiscent of fire leap from the canvas. These could mark sites of ongoing star formation, where new suns are actively being forged. The interplay between radiation, gas pressure, and gravity fuels the nebula's chaos, and here we see those forces at work. In the lower left, a standout blue-white star glows from within one of the toe beams. Around it, the surrounding material seems to have been radiated away, leaving the star exposed, a beacon amidst the dust. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this image is its glimpse into the future. Dense filaments surviving amidst the nebula's harsh radiation may serve as cradles for future stars, suggesting that this nursery's work is far from finished. As NASA put it, the Cat Paw Nebula's beauty is more than skin deep. Each glowing tendril, each shadowy filament, tells a story of cosmic creation, a story we are only just beginning to read. In the broader context of JWST's mission, this image serves as both a testament to past success and a herald of future discoveries. Since its operational debut, JWST has transformed fields ranging from galaxy formation to exoplanet atmosphere studies, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. This latest anniversary image continues that legacy. As it repeatedly breaks its own records, Webb is also uncovering unknowns for new generations of flagship missions to tackle, said Domagal Goldman. In other words, while JWST answers many questions, it raises just as many. How do massive stars sculpt their environments so precisely? What hidden processes govern the formation of stars inside dense filaments? What unknown sources fuel the blue haze permeating parts of the nebula? These are mysteries JWST will continue to explore, not just in the Cat's Paw Nebula, but across the cosmos. Why does this matter beyond astronomy? Because understanding how stars form tells us how galaxies evolve, how planets form, and ultimately, how life arises. The same processes shaping the cat's paw once shaped our own solar system billions of years ago. What JWST is revealing isn't just the history of distant stars, it's the origin story of everything we know. As we look toward the next phase of JWST's mission, astronomers are already planning deeper investigations into stellar nurseries like the Cat's Paw. Future observations may use JWST's spectroscopic capabilities to analyze the chemical composition of the gas and dust, revealing what ingredients are present as stars ignite. Meanwhile, other instruments, like the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, will build on JWST's discoveries, focusing on larger-scale surveys to map out cosmic structures. But for now, the Cat's Paw Nebula stands as a cosmic masterpiece, captured by a telescope that has exceeded even the highest expectations. From star nurseries to the edges of the observable universe, JWST has become humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos. 3 years into its mission, it's clear that the age of infrared astronomy is not only here, it's thriving. With every image, every data release, JWST reminds us of our place in the universe, a tiny speck amidst unimaginable beauty and complexity. As the Cat's Paw Nebula glows softly 4,000 light-years away, we're reminded that the birth of stars isn't just a scientific process. It's a cosmic art form, and JWST is the artist. If you're as captivated by the wonders of space as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope and beyond. From stellar nurseries to ancient galaxies, the universe is waiting to be explored. And here at Spaceverse, we'll bring those discoveries to you. Thanks for watching.